A blinding blue flashlight slices the night, your heart hammering as the cop steps closer. One wrong move can change everything. Tonight, we break down exactly how to handle a nighttime traffic stop, step by step. Let's get into it.
License and registration.
Step 1. Signal, pull over safely, hazards on, dome light bright. Don't slam on the brakes. Calmly signal and find a safe, well-lit spot to stop. Park, turn on your hazard lights, and switch on your interior dome light, even at night. This lets the officer see inside your car and shows you're not a threat. Officers approach every stop on high alert. A lit cabin and visible hands lower their anxiety, and yours. Before you even speak, you've already set the tone for a safer, smoother encounter. That's how you start winning the encounter before it even begins. No reaching, no fidgeting. Instruct everyone in the car to do the same. Visible, still hands are the ultimate sign of cooperation and safety. Don't move them until the officer tells you to. This simple discipline is your best de-escalation tool.
Got it, Carlos.
Jasmine, hands on the dash, don't move.
Step 2. Both hands on the wheel, passenger's hands on the dash. The officer is watching for your hands. Keep them at 10 and 2, still and visible. Your calm, respectful tone sets the stage for a professional stop. You're showing you're just a regular person in a stressful moment.
Officer, would you mind lowering your flashlight a bit? It's hard to see.
Be polite, not chatty. Let the officer lead the conversation. Speak slowly, avoid sudden movements, and if the flashlight is in your eyes, politely ask, "Officer, would you mind lowering your flashlight a bit?"
Good evening, officer.
Step 3. Stay calm and greet the officer. Anxiety can look like guilt. Announce, wait, then act. No surprises. This keeps everyone safe. Never reach for anything without explaining first.
Okay.
My registration and insurance are in the glove compartment. I'm going to open it now.
Wait for the officer's okay, then move slowly.
Okay, go ahead.
Officer, my license is in my wallet, back right pocket. I'm going to reach for it now.
Don't never make sudden moves. Always narrate your actions. You don't need to explain or argue. Just calmly repeat, "I do not consent." If you give consent, you lose your Fourth Amendment protection for that search. If they search anyway, your lawyer can challenge it later. Remember, "Can I search your car?" is a request, not a command.
Officer, I do not consent to any searches.
Mind if I take a look around?
Don't never consent to a search you don't want. Just say, "I do not consent." If the stop is over, don't linger. Say thanks and leave safely. If you're not free to go, say, "I am going to remain silent and I would like to speak with a lawyer." That's how you protect yourself if things drag out. Ask, leave, or invoke your rights. Simple.
You're free to go.
So, officer, am I being detained or am I free to go?
Never argue or raise your voice on the roadside. It only makes things worse. If you have a complaint, calmly ask for a supervisor. Get the officer's name and badge number, comply with lawful orders, and file a complaint later if needed. The real battle is won with evidence and procedure, not by arguing on the street.
All right, I'll call a supervisor over.
Officer, I do not wish to argue, but I'd like to request a supervisor.
Night stops are far riskier, crashes are more deadly, and everyone's on edge. Both you and the officer are running on adrenaline. That's why every steplight's hands calm words matters even more at night. It's not you versus the cop, it's both of you versus a risky situation. These steps lower the risk for everyone. Your safety and theirs depends on it. That's your playbook for surviving a traffic stop. Signal, hands visible, no sudden moves, don't consent to searches, and ask clear questions. Share this with everyone you know who drives. It could save a life. These tips protect your rights and your safety. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more real-world advice. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.